If you want to add a nickname on Facebook profile or customize your name, here's the quickest way to do it. First, open your Facebook app and tap on the menu icon in the top corner. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Now, at the top, select Account Center. This is where all your Facebook profile settings are managed. Tap on Profiles and choose your Facebook account. Next, tap on Name. Here, scroll down and select Manage Other Names. This option lets you add things like nickname, maiden name, or alternate name on Facebook. Choose the name type you want, then enter your preferred name. For example, you can add a nickname for better Facebook profile customization. After that, enable Show at Top of Profile if you want it to appear next to your main name. You'll see a quick preview. Once everything looks good, tap Save to confirm. And that's it. Your Facebook nickname will now appear on your profile.